Yo, what's going on, guys? This video is a bit more laid back. We just wanted to basically hop on here and talk to you guys about the importance of social media, how we actually grew eCommerce Street's like initial OG Instagram page, how that all started, how we realized what was working, what wasn't working, just like some more insight for our OG audience and our new audience. What's going on, guys?
If you haven't heard before, we had a lot of shit that was going on with the whole eCommerce Street page that happened back in like the summer of 2020. We're still in 2020, but a lot of things happened, and we were picking up actually. Like we were growing our page at a rate of like 2,000 followers a month almost.
Yeah.
And we discovered like a hidden, not a hidden niche, but like something that hasn't been met in our niche. There's a lot of people that talk about e-commerce online,
gurus,
and especially for the Instagram, we uncovered that like a lot of memes were kind of like the key to growth.
They were.
Essentially, and just more of like those black screen posts and just Twitter posts, all that kind of stuff, right? And honest to God, guys, like we created all of our content, like none of it was really stolen, like at all. If you're like the meme videos, like some of them like we would just take from Instagram, obviously, but like the actual captions, like the memes,
yeah,
the actual meme was like everything we made, black screens, Twitter, you name it.
There was a meme page kind of before us, like eCommerce, whatever they're called.
Yeah, but they were shit though.
But they were shit. They weren't posting a lot, and so we were like, "Yo, we kind of want to be a little bit different than just like the regular e-commerce like guru page posting all this like AliExpress markup shit." So we started posting memes, and literally like the minute we started posting memes, a lot of our audience was just dying of laughter. Like people loved it, and so we just quadrupled down, like literally.
The thing is, we didn't know what worked, right? So the key to our like growth was basically just trying stuff all the time, because for the longest time we were just reposting content from our channel. And listen, we don't know if our content, even at that time we had our crappy little camera, and our content wasn't that great at the time, so it could have been
we'll throw a clip in here.
Yeah,
as an example.
It could have been a mixture of that. We don't know for sure, but like obviously it wasn't performing well on the Instagram, so we decided to change things up. We started posting more black screens. We started posting memes. Way more. We doubled down on memes, and then when we realized people were actually liking them and they were commenting and they were sharing, like we were getting like we got one post like blew up for us.
Yeah.
I can't remember which one it was.
Like, it was the Facebook rep, like
Yeah, that was the post. Like like Dan Longneck, that guy there. Picture of him right here. We made that meme. I think it was in my bed at like 1 a.m. in the morning, and I found like that video. Except I took it and then I just put that caption.
I think it's from TikTok.
Was it from TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, that was one of our first memes. And then we got like 100 followers from that, just off the bat, and we like, shit, like, this could actually work. If we just keep posting more memes and everything. And then, I don't know, we were growing like 2,000 followers a month. It was pretty crazy.
Where we messed up. Everyone messes up when growth happens. Where we messed up, I want to say, you probably have a different idea. Where I think we messed up is that the minute we started taking off on Instagram and started hitting like close to 6K followers total, we stopped posting on YouTube. You can go to our YouTube feed and our videos and you'll see that recently we started posting again, but there's this huge gap in between where it just went from like consistent, wow, to completely off to back on now. And so we were just so focused on the IG, and I think that was a huge problem because I'm a huge fan of Gary Vee. Listen to a lot of his stuff. I'm sure a lot of you know this. And literally, if you aren't active on as many platforms as possible, you're pretty much shooting yourself in the foot. You never know what can happen tomorrow. Tomorrow's never promised. Instagram could die tomorrow for all we know. We never really know. So that's why
can die.
That's why we make it really. I make it a huge priority to be active not only on YouTube and Instagram, but also things like Twitter and TikTok, just so that we have like all hands on board.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where did we fucked up though? Is that what you gonna say?
No, I was gonna say just from like the content from the videos. That's probably what did it for us. I would assume, because they never gave us a reason why it was actually like taken away. Like literally, they just kind of took it from us like twice. We grew our page
3 times now.
Well, 3 times. But I'm saying like the second time we got our page banned was like we grew our page to 1,000 followers in what, like a month or a month or two. Like literally, it was just super quick like that. Got our followers back. And they took it down. No reason, just took it away. But I always say to like Corey and we always say the same thing. Like, yeah, 6K followers isn't a lot for an Instagram page, but you know what? Like for the dropshipping niche guys, it's actually quite a bit. I was actually really engaged too. It wasn't just a page that got like 20 likes per post. You know what I mean? Like we were getting like really, really, like the ratio between likes and our followers was like really, really high.
And our OG subscribers will know that.
Like too. It was a very engaged community. Like say we ever ran like promos or whatever that case, like if we never really ran promos, right? We weren't really like that for e-com street on the Instagram, but if we ran promos, guys, like we'd probably get like a lot of customers for the people that would want to run ads with us, you know, like
good, yeah. If it was
because we were getting like with 6,000 followers, we were getting like 1,000 story views at the time, right?
We were, yeah,
right. We were getting like over 1,000.
It's highly engaged,
like
for
that's
sure.
fucked up for like 6,000 followers. You know what I mean? Like that's not very common.
And we love that. We thank you guys. Like we post stuff, being like, you know, like drop an e-commerce question or a video idea, and like hundreds and hundreds of things would fly in. It would just be so insightful for us.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Like dropshipping pages are, you know, there's a lot of them out there, but they're not very engaged. Like there wasn't a lot that were engaged like ours, you know, like everyone was just commenting. Like we literally post a picture, like comment your thoughts below. Everyone comment. Like there's so many people that comment.
There's still a few pages like Hayden's ecom season.
But like, I feel like he based it off of ours. Like I feel like he got inspiration from ours. Maybe. Don't you think? I don't know. Maybe.
Hayden, let us know, man.
Yeah, let us know, Hayden. But I don't know, man. Like we just we worked really hard at it, and then eventually stuff got taken out. So it's kind of our bad for like kind of loafing on it a bit too.
But yeah, but now we're back though. We realized that like we've like these last couple months we've been super busy building our own like business brand, like our e-commerce brand together.
Yeah, guys, this is really crazy. We're kind of out of the dropshipping loop. You know, like we don't use AliExpress. We get like 1-day shipping now, so it's
and
like,
there's nothing wrong.
Like,
there's nothing wrong with dropshipping. We're kind of gonna have a whole separate video for like dropshipping versus brand building, and at a different time. But yeah, we're fully into brand building now. None of this like AliExpress really stuff, and it's just a lot more work. We're doing a lot of busy work, a lot of hard work, a lot of good work as well. And so we kind of forgot about our whole personal brand here at eCom Street. And so that's why we're back. We've been posting now for like 2-3 weeks consistently, and it's gonna stay that way for a long time. A lot of good value coming your way. And we're gonna try being as insightful as possible about our brand that we're building. We want to share insight as much as we can as to what we're up to, kind of the struggles, what we struggle with our brand. Obviously, like the best way to hear about that is by being in our Discord server, because that's where I usually am, like talking to people, but also on the channel, of course, too, right?
Of course, yeah. Like we remain a little bit low key with the stuff that we do, but we're trying to become more open about it now. A little bit, yeah. Without giving away too much revealing details, but we want to be as transparent as possible with you guys. You know, we want to keep you up to date with what's going on, but I mean that's pretty much it. Like, I know you guys have heard the whole spiel before about what happened, but this is a little bit more in depth and just kind of a quick life update video of what's going on with us. So
yeah, if you guys do want more insight on like what we're up to on a daily basis with our brand, what we're kind of doing to like make sure our goals are met for this Q4 and whatnot, comment below. You know, drop a thumbs up. Whatever you got to do, let us know. Let us know so that we know. Because if no one's really showing signs, like, you know, what do we know? We've had a lot of video requests recently. Like we still have like 700 subs here, so thanks for that. We're still on Instagram as well, but it's not really our main focus no more. Like we realized like, okay, like memes are good and they're funny, but they only benefit like the viewers so much. So we're kind of more into like videos now, but like this one that is kind of more informative about the personal branding, and then all the other videos on our channel that we're going to be covering, right? Like, that's the way I see it.
We're going to try and not make as much boring content. You know, like we'll make it fun.
Yeah, memes are fun, but and that's where it bothered me, because I wanted to provide more value too. You don't learn much from the memes. You kind of just laugh and then keep going, and your unanswered questions stay unanswered. So we kind of want to fix that part. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's kind of where I want to get at.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that wraps it up for this video. Yeah, if you guys like Cozy.Nash or Dave Nash and Beauty, hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little life update from us, and we will be posting a lot of informational videos soon. Lots of value packed
every Tuesday and Friday.
Absolutely.
Tuesday and Friday, boys.
Yep. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.